Ang sanlibutan, they're drowning in floodwaters. Mga baha. Nakikita na natin, nawi-witness natin. Dito, bumabaha ang kaligayahan. Nagabaha atong kalipay. Nagabaha ang atong mga pagdaig, pagpasalamat sa atong langit ng Amahan.
All around, we have witnessed how the old world is upside down, experiencing calamities, drowning in turmoil, thick darkness, and engulfed in corruption. While on the other hand, the new world is rising up, full of peace, life, love, and prosperity. May your blessings be upon this continuing 40 years, feast of the Passover celebration, and all the eagles who have flown home.
When the Spirit of the Lord comes upon me, I will dance like David danced. When the Spirit of the Lord comes upon my heart, I will dance like David danced. I will dance, I will dance, I will dance like David danced. I will dance, I will dance, I will dance like David danced.
Let's give our highest praise to the Almighty Father. Yung pagpupuri na nagmumula sa ating mga puso. Yung pagpupuri na nagpapatunay ng bansang kaharian ay kailanman hindi matitinag. Ang bansang kaharian ay mananatili magpakailanman. We give glory, honor, praise, and thanksgiving to the Father Almighty. On our 40th year, the sun said, "Do not give up. This is not our battle. The battle belongs to the Almighty Father." Year 41 is coming. The year